Hey guys, so I just got the OSMO 5 Pro straight from the box right now. I didn't have the time to tweak with the settings, so let's see how it goes. Let's go. Yeah, we're in the train, guys. What's that? Okay. Okay. Come on. Hey guys, so naabot nami diri kilid sa windmills. So nihunong rami diri dapit just to see.
You only watch it.
Trusting your instincts.
On to our next destination, guys.
When living authentic, do more exploring. Get
What?
deeper than knowing just what is essential for life that is thriving.
Happy to miss windmills, guys.
Chatter, feel it, burn off the fire.
Ah? Back the baby.
Until there's peace to your home. Live a life you adore.
Stopper. Huh? Stopper.
Zijn die vies?
Kom die kant. Anne had.
Ja. Ik wil choco hebben.
Nee, but somebody might.
You know that I lie when I say that I'm fine, 'cause you know me like that. You know me better than anyone I know. Yeah, you know I need space, a little time for myself when I'm stressed and upset. You know me better than anyone.
We arrived at San Zascans, guys. There's still a lot of people at this time.